What is a virtual assistant? A virtual assistant is a self-employed worker who specializes in offering administrative services to clients from a remote location. Usually a home office. Typical tasks a virtual assistant might perform include scheduling appointments, making phone calls, making travel arrangements, managing email accounts, faxing documents, setting up meetings, and much more. So here I will give you a quick breakdown in the benefits of being a virtual assistant. First off, you have to understand that the workplace is becoming increasingly virtual. Doubtless to say there are scores of employers seeking out virtual assistants for all kinds of jobs. Employers are looking for remote workers that can perform anywhere so they don't have to provide a workspace for you. If you have been contemplating becoming a virtual assistant yourself and have been wondering how to get started, this online virtual assistant certification is for you. There is 17 lessons in this tutorial, and I will point out quite a few key points as to what will be covered in the chapters, and once again the outstanding benefits of getting certified in this course. You will learn the near future outlook of a virtual assistant, and for the reasons we now know how demanding it will be in the near future. Being certified will add value to your resume to show your future employers you have the knowledge and the know-how on working independently and productively. Not only can you work for one employer, but as many up to 5 different employers at the same time, meaning this is your home-based business, and in this course you will learn how to name your business, the forms of ownership, state or local licenses, and tax and federal ID. Don't worry, this is all easy to do procedures, and getting started in the walkthrough is a cinch. This course will provide virtual assistant tools and getting started with the right equipment. You know your computer, laptop, fax, copier machine, and make sure you have a good Wi-Fi signal set up as well. If you're going to work with multiple employers, the course will teach you how to find your clients and sell your business all through search engine optimization or SEO. Of course, everything is through social media these days, so this course will get you set up on how to use social media marketing to get your business out there. Help you create a business image, or if you have a website, they will teach you how to get it out there as well. You want to shop other marketplaces? The tutorial will show you different marketplaces to advertise your service, such as Fiverr, Craigslist, Upwork, or Guru. Since you may be multitasking with other employers, this course will show you how to organize your workflow through creating routines, tracking activities, prioritizing your tasks, and follow-up procedures. This course, keep in mind that working remotely or having a home-based business also means having a work-life family balance. So with that being said, a chapter will cover how to create a work schedule, scheduling family time, taking care of yourself and your business. With all that is going on to be covered in this course, you will need to schedule time for future training and education as your business progresses. You will also learn business ethics. You will learn privacy issues, non-disclosure agreements, and proper business practices. This course will also show you how to draw up an independent contractor agreement as well. As I mentioned before, there's a few key points to this course, and it covers so much more. The links will be in the description below. Please make sure you slap that like button, subscribe to the page, and leave me some comments below with any questions or a course you would like to check out. I can create links, send them directly to you. I can also do personal tutorials on certain courses as well prior to purchases. Go follow me on Facebook, Markie Williams, and over there I have an online certification course page there as well. Shout out to Ben Sound for providing the royalty-free music. Please make sure you check out his site and shop around. Many thanks. Markie Williams, I'm out.